Hey guys, welcome back. So far we have been typing and uploading documents, but did you know Claude can actually see? You can upload an image, a photo, a screenshot, a chart, even handwritten notes, and Claude will look at it and tell you what's going on. This is called vision, and it opens up a ton of genuinely useful everyday tricks. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it. Let's get into it. So first, what can Claude actually do with an image? A lot. It can describe what's in a photo, it can read and transcribe text from a picture, even handwriting. It can explain a chart or graph, it can look at screenshot of an error and help you fix it. It can identify objects, plants or food, it can critique a design or layout, it can even translate text into a photo of a foreign sign. Basically, if you can take a picture of it, you can ask Claude about it. Getting an image isn't super easy. In the message box, click the plus button and pick your image, or just drag and drop. It straight into the chat. And if you're on the mobile app, even better. You can snap a photo right there with your camera, pull one from your gallery. Claude works with the common image types, so pretty much any image on your phone or computer will work. Let's start simple and ask, what is in this image? Describe it in detail and enter. And look, Claude describes exactly what it sees, the objects, the settings, the colors, what's happening. It's like having someone look over your shoulder and explain the picture to you. Here's one people love. You can upload a picture of text, handwritten notes, a whiteboard from a meeting, a sign, and ask Claude to type it all out. So I will say, read all the text in this image and type it out for me. And here it is. It describes the whole thing, no more retyping notes by hand, just a heads up. For really messy handwriting or tiny text, double check the result. But for the most things, it's surprisingly accurate. Claude is also great with charts and screenshots. Upload a graph and ask, explain what this chart is showing, and what the key takeaway is. Claude reads the data right off the image and tells you what it means. And this is a lifesaver for tech problems. If you ever get a confusing error message, just screenshot it, upload it, and ask what does this mean and how do I fix it. Claude reads the error and walks you through it. You can also upload more than one image at a time and have Claude compare them. So drop in 2 pictures and ask, compare these 2 images and tell me the differences. Great for comparing 2 product photos, 2 designs, 2 versions of anything. You can add several images in a single message, so there's a lot of room. Let me give you some real everyday uses. Snap a photo of a plant and ask what it is. Take a picture of what's in your fridge and ask for a recipe. Photograph a foreign menu or sign and ask Claude to translate it. Upload a screenshot of a website and ask for design feedback. Take a picture of a math problem and ask it to walk you through the solution. Once you start, you will find yourself using this all the time. Now, a few important things. First, and this trips people up, Claude can analyze images, but it can't generate them. It's a vision tool, not an image generator like some other AI tools. The good news, it's brilliant at writing detailed prompts you can paste into an image generator. Second, for privacy reasons, Claude won't tell you the identity of a real person in a photo. It can describe someone, but it won't name them. And third, the limits, common image formats only, up to around 20 images in one conversation and up to about 30 megabytes each. Clear, well-lit images always give the best results. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, use a clear well-lit photo The better the image, the better the answer. Second, ask specific questions. What's the total on this receipt? Beats, tell me about this. Third, crop the image to just the part you care about so Claude focuses on what matters. Fourth, upload multiple images when you want to compare things. And fifth, remember, on mobile you can use your camera live, super handy when you are out and about. And that's Claude Vision. You now know how to upload images, describe photos, read text and handwriting, explain charts, fix errors, screenshots, and a whole bunch of everyday tricks. Seriously, next time you're stuck on something usual, just take a picture and ask Claude. It's one of those features that feels like magic once it clicks. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped. Leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.